Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is US Central Command establishes Task Force Scorpion Strike to field first one-way attack drone squadron. US Central Command has launched Task Force Scorpion Strike, a new formation built to operate the US military's first one-way attack drone squadron in the Middle East. The announcement came on the 3rd of December, for months after Secretary of War Pete Hegseth ordered faster acquisition and deployment of affordable drone systems. CENTCOM said the task force has already assembled a squadron of low-cost unmanned combat attack system drones now based in the region. The drones have long range, can fly autonomously and may be launched using catapults, rocket-assisted takeoff, or mobile ground and vehicle platforms. ADM Brad Cooper, CENTCOM commander, said the initiative reflects a deliberate shift toward rapid innovation. This new task force sets the conditions for using innovation as a deterrent, he said. Equipping our skilled warfighters faster with cutting-edge drone capabilities showcases U.S. military innovation and strength, which deters bad actors. The command added that Task Force Scorpion Strike aligns with the Rapid Employment Joint Task Force set up in September to speed delivery of emerging capabilities to deployed forces. That joint task force guides cooperation across services in the areas of capability, software and tech diplomacy. CENTCOM said personnel from Special Operations Command Central are leading the work to build the one-way attack drone squadron. According to the command, their efforts are tied directly to the capability goals defined by the Rapid Employment Joint Task Force. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.